in shorts. This is a courthouse. Stop. Would you go to church like that?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is a courthouse. We expect you to dress accordingly. It's a big sign of respect when you don't. You understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
You are charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay, come
On
on.
February 22nd, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officers dispatched a disturbance call. Complainant stated she and defendant are married, that she got in her truck after telling the defendant to get ready, but he didn't get ready, so she left and was about to drive off until he got inside the car. Complainant went to visit her mom and usually dropped the defendant off at a gas station, but he did not want to get out of the truck this time. Complainant asked the security guard for help, but he said he was off duty and drove off. Complainant told defendant to get out of the car, and he told her he was going to call her stepmother. Complainant then shot defendant 5 times with a BB gun in the chest area and near his arms.
Wait, what? He shot her in the chest with a BB gun?
Complainant shot defendant.
Oh, she shot him.
Yes, Your Honor. Complainant then went inside the gas station, was about to pay for an item, when defendant then grabbed her by the neck from behind and threw her down and started beating her up, resulting in her.
If someone shoots me with a BB gun, I'm gonna get pissed off too. What the flip?
They both.
No. Let's do this. Just take a seat for me. I'm gonna appoint your lawyer and then I'm gonna have to talk to a lawyer and then we'll go through problems. Do you mind, please?
It's up there. This one.
I'm gonna get him to sign the receipt this way. I'm just gonna get you to sign the receipt.
That's,
Go ahead and sign the complainant.
let's wait till defense and then we'll, but I mean, really,
Ready for the next?
please.
Page 22. American.
Come up.
No, they want him in the jury box. They're-
Good morning, Mr. Merritt. Sir, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On October 3rd, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer at Bridgeland High School was called to the nurse's office and met with complainant, who stated that 3 to 4 guys ran into the restroom yelling at him. He started hitting him all over. Complainant stated he did not know the other students. He described his pain as a 7 on a scale of 1 to 10. A witness stated they saw the 3 individuals enter the restroom, yell, quote, "Nah, fuck you," and punch complainant into a corner. One of them held witness between the sinks until he stopped and tried to give a few punches in on complainant. Witness pulled him off and the teachers walked in and 3 boys ran away. Another witness identified defendant as the one beating complainant up, while another.
So that we have a witness that identifies him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Got it. Okay. And this is in a high school or where was this?
High school, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Merritt, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case as a condition of your bond. I'm ordering you not to go back to this high school and not to have any contact with the complaining witness. You're not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you put hands on anyone else, I'm going to put my hands on your bond, revoke it, make it extremely high, and you will go to jail. This is not a revolving door. If I have to put you in jail, it's going to be a high bond, and that's where you stay. Do you understand me? Would you like a court-appointed lawyer, Mr. Merritt? Okay. I need you to fill out an application for me. Deputy here is going to give you an application. I'm going to have you sign a receipt with Victoria, and then I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box. Also, as a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to test you. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, likewise into jail you go. You understand? All right, come on.
Right this way. Go ahead and sign for your receipt. All right, Judge, next is page 30, Sabora.
Oh.
Morning, sir. Sir, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
On February 26, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with expired registration. Officer observed defendant's driver's license to have a non-eligible status. Officer also observed defendant to have no insurance on his vehicle, which defendant confirmed, but then later stated he did have insurance that was required due to a prior DWI.
Okay, does he have anything open, any DWIs or any?
No
Other?
open cases, Your Honor.
Okay, and license is currently,
I'm running it right now.
please. As a condition of your bond, Mr. Tabor, you are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license. You must also have liability insurance. These are your bond conditions. If you violate this, I don't care how minute you think it may be, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Stop. No. You need a lawyer. We're going to give you time to hire a lawyer.
Oh,
But in the meantime, you're going to be signing a promise with me. This is an affidavit that you're not going to drive. License or no?
Oh, sorry, Your Honor, not eligible.
You're not allowed to drive. You're going to be signing a promise with me today. You're not going to drive. If I find that you do, I can hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days every time you drive. Do you understand? I don't care what you have to do in this life. If you want to drive, go get a license, go get insurance. And if you show it to me, then we can change these bond conditions. But if you don't, there's going to be HE double hockey sticks to pay. You understand?
Yes,
All right. I'm going to have you sign this and then we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer.
I got the insurance right.
I'm-
Yes, ma'am.
Your license is not eligible. I don't care what, if Mother Teresa gives you something,
I understand.
the license is not showing eligible in DPS's system. It is your responsibility. If you drive, and I don't care if you drove here, if you drive out of here, it's just not going to go well for you. You understand?
Yes.
I'm just not going to warn you again. I'm just asking you to follow the law. I'm not asking you to split the atom. Right. So I'm going to have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I'll get you to Victoria. You will sign a reset and we'll get you out of here. I'm not asking for anything crazy, you know? Really?
Big fan.
Come
I'm over here.
Wait,
Thank you.
of course.
That's it for now, Judge.
Miss Kyles, can I talk to you for a second real quick?
White House is no.
No.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Go ahead and sign up in here. How much it is?
Happy birthday. He picked up a freaking aggravated robbery. Do you know this already or no? Have you been talking? You got angry text from who? From the van? Okay, have him call, meet me. Are you here today? Zoom in and have her come and we'll have a powwow. He's in our holdover right now. We'll have her come and then we'll call. We'll talk. Okay? And just let me know, just zoom in and I guess, just let me know. I'm waiting for you. Okay.
No.
Hi, are you ready? Come on. Good morning.
We have good news. The mom, GA in Berlin, went for relay this morning. I tested positive for THC, but not.
Great. Okay, so we will give him time for that to clear out of the system. We're just gonna keep doing the, drug testing weekly to make sure he's not using. We're just assuming he passes. At that point, we're gonna give you just to reset what we would do. But at some point, the weed has to be out of the system. It can't just continue to remain and remain and remain and remain. So, let's see. We put the bond conditions on him on 2/11, but I took him into custody on 3/2. So I will give you the benefit of the doubt. So I'm going to start the date from 3/2, which is the day that he got his surety bond, which is about 3 days ago. So I'm going to test him for weed 50 days from that day. Where's Mr. Gamon now?
He's in the back.
Come up
You've only-
Sir.
around that way. We don't want you near the DAs. Mhm.
Okay, so.
It's the only way that I'm gonna know that he's not using cocaine. As far as the weed is concerned, I know that he's gonna test positive at least for the next 30 days. But at the 50-day mark from 3/3, if he tests positive, it tells me he's continued to use. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt, Mr. Gamon. From 3/3, I'm giving you 50 days to clear up from the marijuana. If you test positive after 50 days, that means that you continue to use, and guess what happens? Exactly. I'm not asking you anything crazy, just to clean up. You test cocaine again, I'm gonna lose it. You understand? Okay, all right. Thanks. Good luck.
Council.
Oh, there's-
Hey, so Mr. Bresson filed this. Oh, there you are. David, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Come on.
I haven't done.
I saw that you filed a speedy motion.
I did, because my client is like stuck in jail for immigration hearing.
Okay,
But my proposal is to set this for next week for like a pre-trial conference, and then just if we can get a trial date in case he rejects.
no, I'm not gonna reject you.
No, I
I'll
mean,
do
what I'm
whatever
saying
you
is in
want.
case he rejects I think
Oh,
this is a deal, I've been representing this defendant for a couple years, in asylum proceedings. He, he crossed the border. He's from Lebanon, but he crossed the border in Mexico about 2 or 3 years ago, and then applied for asylum. So he has an asylum trial that was set for next month in immigration court. Now, since he's been arrested, he's got an immigration detainer. He's gonna get transferred to immigration jail when he finishes here. And then he won't get out on a bond there, and he can either have his asylum trial, but basically sign for voluntary departure. So I'm just trying to get this done as quickly as I can.
I'll do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
If you want it, but I have to give them sufficient time
Yeah.
unless you waive notice,
I'm kind of,
but it's
I'll
up to
wait
you.
notice, but what I'm thinking is if we could go ahead and get a trial date for him and then just get like an interim setting for next week.
Yeah.
Because
Sure.
he's gonna talk.
Have you evaled it for trial yet or no?
No, Judge, the complainant speaks Arabic and we're going to translate it for Monday.
Oh,
Oh,
that
so,
kind of makes it
yeah,
even more
I
difficult.
think-
Are there any videos in Arabic? Because then you're gonna need at least 45, right? Or is it 90? 45?
There are videos, Judge. I don't know if they're in Arabic.
So-
You got it. For that.
Just,
I talked to the complainant about like 20 minutes ago. She's on board with the state. Like, he may end up taking a plea bargain, but I mean, even if you set me out 45 days, like I'm fine with that. I just want to get the date.
whatever you want, it's gotta be at least 30 days. You
Okay.
pick it, I don't care.
Okay,
Just, and then in the interim, just, I guess, let's take a week, eval it, and we'll come back. So I'll give you like a soft trial date for now, and then
Sure.
we'll give you a pre-trial conference date of whatever you
you
want.
think, can I get it set for next Tuesday, just because I think we might resolve it? Yeah,
Whatever you want, David.
and then I'll get.
Doesn't matter to me.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks, David. Hi, Mr. D,
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Thank you.
please.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Counsel.
I spoke with, the coordinator here. I have two cases I need to
Okay.
approach on you because of the, duration of one case.
Who's first?
Let's go with Chief Jackson,
Jackson. Just last name, please.
Jackson.
Okay. Um,
She was in a absconder. She looked like she picked up another case
correct.
and,
Whatever you want, really. I mean, I don't,
well, it's my understanding and you may know more about it. I believe she's gonna accept an offer from felony on the next setting. If the state would be amenable to checking that for me. Yes,
that's
sir.
tomorrow.
That's tomorrow, 6.
Is there a global resolution, Sean, you
That's
think?
what I'm looking at, Your Honor. I mean, I spoke to felony about it. I don't know if they
She told me. that they
Yes,
were gonna
so
give her
she's-
probation, right?
planning on taking a 2-year deferred.
Counsel for reset.
She's been in trouble literally every year since 2001, and now she's gonna get on a deferred.
And she's on probation.
She's what?
She's on probation.
No,
She's not.
no, it's just an open case.
Oh, yeah, open case.
So are you, what do you want to do with this one?
So ours is part of that deferred. It's not ours.
Okay, so you're gonna dismiss this one if she takes that upstairs?
Yes.
Okay, so whatever you want, Mr. D.
No, we can,
You
we
want
can just
to,
wait until tomorrow. We don't have to bring her back. She's gonna do it.
well, we can't bring her back tomorrow. You want to do Monday or Tuesday?
If they're gonna dismiss the case, I don't see
Sure.
why we need to bring her back.
Well, I gotta give her a future date. So why don't we do like Monday,
Okay.
and then we'll check to see if they've,
If they completed.
just remember, because, you know, if she gets on a deferred, you guys don't file the nollie, she'll be stuck.
Right.
So I guess put a note just to kind of
Yes,
check
sir.
to see if tomorrow if they do the plea. If they do it, then you know to go ahead and dismiss it.
Okay, we'll bring it back Monday. sir.
Yeah.
And the next one is, Mr. Rebecca.
Just the last name, just last name.
Sadana. Saldana. Sadana. She's on probation too, Judge.
Oh, Lord.
But she has picked up, I think she picked up.
Oh, I remember Miss
two
Saldana.
new charges. And, the problem is she has one technical, but it's not one that you can really violate.
We put her on probation on the 18th. 7 days later, she picked up the 2 felonies for criminal mischief and injured to elderly.
Okay. With her criminal history and all this stuff, I'm not inclined to really, you know, given that, you know, is it always against mom, right? If I remember, it's like mom or someone in the house.
The dad is.
The dad.
It was the dad.
Is there an offer on her case upstairs, Saldana? So there wasn't even a time to do anything,
7 days later.
right?
Logan, sorry, Judge.
Did we ever do a TRS before?
We did.
What did they suggest?
Recommended Hooray with medically assisted treatment and a recovery coach after she gets out.
I think it's a pretty good idea if they don't do anything upstairs.
It's, I think it's a good idea.
I mean, I don't know what they're gonna do upstairs, but hopefully they'll see.
Maybe they ever do the same thing. With some,
Let's hold it
yes, sir.
for the time being.
The only update I have from them is that they reset for a TRAD yesterday.
Yeah, they.
Okay, so I think we're all of the same
Same
mindset.
page,
then. Okay, so we'll just do the day after and let's see what happens.
Fair enough, Judge.
Okay,
Thank you.
and then maybe we can kind of just all in.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. D.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, Mr.
Hey,
Wong.
Judge, how are you? Mr. Ronnie's gone over for a drug test.
Okay,
What is the plan, assuming the drug test comes back negative? She's enrolled in ILP. She's been attending for the last few weeks. We have a court date later this month in the felony court.
Hey, Colin.
I don't know yet.
Okay.
You're representing upstairs on the
Yeah.
third.
I think it's headed towards probation. I've got a couple of things.
I'm not gonna do double.
Yeah.
It's just not, it's nonsensical, but
I mean, Assuming she ends up on probation up there, she's gonna have to go into 10 days as a condition on the probation.
I'll honor that too.
Then you
And
could
then
just,
we'll do 30 and same thing.
and then you could just unset
Yep,
her. Just-
Yep. But I think that therapy is certainly,
No, I agree. And she's in it, she's doing it.
okay.
What about these?
If that's the case, then
Yeah.
we're on the same side.
Okay,
We're on the same boat.
do you want to keep the scram on her? I have to ask. I'm not saying you should take it off, just saying she'd like it.
I'd like hair.
Okay.
Is that gonna happen? Unless you're gonna pay for my surgery. No.
I see it on TikTok all the time. It's coming from
No. No, that thing's staying on for the next 5 years, man.
Yeah, no, it's,
Obviously not, but
it doesn't look like a fun process.
it's not supposed to be fun.
No,
And the
no.
problem is that she's not getting it. I mean, is it gonna be prison that's gonna get the attention?
No, I
Really?
understand. I certainly understand the position on that.
Right.
So, but
Oh, in the hallway.
I mean, I don't know when the case resolves, at that point, I'm
do you want another
amenable.
court date here?
Yeah,
Okay.
right. So you're not gonna, is it gonna resolve on the next one?
I don't think so, because I've got to wait and see what happens with the ALR. That's kind of our one shot at it is the
Okay.
traffic stop issue.
I'll hold it with you then.
Okay, so we'll just put it on the same.
Right,
as
I
the
just,
felony.
assuming she has no,
Yeah, obviously I know all that's
but
wrong.
understand if there's any, then I'm gonna go bananas then. Okay,
She's been.
just no harm. All
Every
right,
time you yell at her, I go out and she's getting yelled at, like, and then her dad, so
right?
maybe.
Well, I mean-
Get through. I understand, okay.
Okay,
Well,
so
obviously
we'll
she's
just
gotta
set you
come
for the day after.
back. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, thanks.
We're here on Kimberly Brown, Judge.
Okay,
So she wasn't magged, we don't know why, and she was rolled over a few times, so
what?
legally she's a refusal since custody. But she is requesting a bond and save as opposed, and I didn't know if you wanted her brought
Well,
up,
we have to magistrate her.
right? But
I mean,
on admonition by counsel,
Do
she
you
still
have
wants
the
the license,
documents?
so.
She never made it to PC court, Judge. She was in custody on a local case, but they didn't vote her on the out-of-county case. So,
why?
Sometimes they just don't see it, they have a line on J-Web and then they just don't book it on the site.
let me just.
It's not common, but it happens.
Instead of getting matched, you can PC court, they brought her up here, and that was, I think, for Friday.
Is she wanted on, my goodness, on the
Well, I mean, technically,
production, distribution, or possession with intent, Schedule 1 narcotic? Is that right?
and she's also wanted for drug paraphernalia and proper equipment license plate on vehicles, but that's obviously not what we're talking about.
Okay. So is it 4 things then? Because there's also a theft.
It's 3 things, it's just, right, I don't know why they did it that way, but. Oh, you're right, there's a second, so, and that.
So there's 4 total.
Yes.
Do you have all the documents for the magistrate?
I had no pen, no, you just not saying.
We don't have anything.
No, I know. Well, I mean, we have the original fugitive packet that doesn't have, it just has what she's wanted for, but it doesn't show.
How can we get everything? Because I need it.
I don't know, I mean,
I mean, I could print out the packet on the court printed. Just so,
There's a specific form that I'm looking for that we sign for magistration purposes
oh,
that
yes.
advises of all the warnings, and then they sign that they've received all the warnings.
I mean, but at this point, because they're in home court now,
I know, but I still have to do it.
that's gonna be Tracy.
Judge, I mean, it would just be a waiver or refusal.
Right, because that's effectively what the approach is for being,
Because the paperwork that's on deeds is like the teletype and affidavit from the jurisdiction, and then the other thing that we get is maybe a reset, but. We got all those.
not all the time. But yeah.
Hey, can I give you a cost number, please? 2608 562. 562. She's been in jail since looks like 2/27. She has a fugitive case in a local made bond on a local, but they never magged her on the fugitive. So I need the paperwork. I don't have anything. Neither does Trey.
As you know, she doesn't get her process in the next.
Yeah. Hey, is Brown in the holdover?
Yeah.
Brown?
Yeah.
Jail docket? She is? Yeah, she's in back. Thanks. Sorry. Okay. All right, I called admin to see what we can do about getting paperwork. I need maybe like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll try to get everything and then we can.
I'll send
Get
it
it
on,
done.
big judge. No,
Okay.
she doesn't. She can hear us tomorrow.
Once again, you're right now, right?
Okay.
Good, okay. Oh, there's some- okay. Just take a seat, Mr. Ronnie. We'll help you in a second. Hi, good morning.
Okay, Judge, page 25, Rena, come on up. Oh, she's in. I put it on the note. Oh, because I was saying it was.
All right, you are Mr. Reyna. Sir, you are charged with theft. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On February 26, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer responded to a theft at a Home Depot. Complainant observed defendant conceal numerous items in his pockets while shopping and wearing a cap and sunglasses, which were Home Depot merchandise. Defendant purchased a few items, but did not attempt to purchase the cap, sunglasses, or any of the merchandise concealed in his pockets. Complainant stopped defendant after he passed all points of sale without paying for the items. Total amount stolen, $114.17. Defendant admitted to taking items without paying.
Mr. Reyna, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you were ordered not to go back to Home Depot or pick up any new cases. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail and immigration finds you, they will put a detainer on you and you will be stuck in custody for an extremely long time. You sit in jail until our case is done, then you get shipped off to immigration, where you will sit for another couple months. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
No.
How do you support yourself, sir?
Right now, I'm not working.
I will have you fill out an application. I need to know everything about you. You're still walking, somehow you still eat. How do you get money to eat? How do you stop? I want you to put it on the paper because I need proof. This is a court. We work on proof, not on spoken words. So I need to know how you get money, how much money you have in the bank, if you have a car, how do you get income, any other sources, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. I will have bond conditions created for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign these bond conditions. And I'm warning you now, you endanger my city one more time, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand? All right, come on. Yeah.
Page 17, 18, Judge.
So the case is what, around 150 days old?
So there's two.
Right. With the other ones is, one is about 550 days old.
Right, and
The other one is,
That looks like 60. I think it was like-
no. He's been on, hold on, let me see.
It was a 2 week.
Yeah, you're right. Correct. Okay. Sure, we'll give you more time. All the conditions will continue as is, you know? If he violates again, if he misses a test, let him know that it's just gonna continue to happen. The next time, it's gonna triple, quadruple. So let him know, just no more violations. What are you thinking?
So we still have an issue with his home being right across the street from the, his home, the terrorist threat case. And him having nowhere else to go. He paid for a hotel room, this past week. Even though
Where exactly does he live? I mean, I guess what I'd like to do, council, is if you can, I guess, let's look on a map to see where his house is in relation to the other house with the complaining witness. I'd like to know.
I understand it's directly across the street, but I'll definitely get to.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna let him go within 200 feet. I don't want him going anywhere near this person. Right, there's a big history and the prior terrorist threat, is it the same complaining witness? No, I just don't want him going anywhere near the person, you know? Let's figure out how far the houses are apart and I'll set a reasonable limit. Because I don't want him to violate again, but I just don't want him to walk in front of the house or try to go near it, try to go up to the door or anything like this. So we'll set a parameter of what's reasonable that he just can't go near it. And I'm with you. I don't want him to violate again. So, but we need to calculate to see what the distance is and then we'll set something reasonable.
Sure.
Yeah, okay. And just let me know.
Okay.
And then we'll have the state look and see, I mean, you make sure that you're okay with it too, and we'll go from there.
Yeah.
We
are okay. I've spoken to her yesterday.
just don't want any more new cases. Yeah, okay. So just let me know.
Yes.
But you doing long conditions on that one?
Yeah, everything the same, except for we're gonna tweak the distance as far as the GPS. Yeah. He's monitored. It's Kelly, last name Kelly.
Any happy news, Judge?
You're
Oh,
on.
let's see.
Come on up.
She said it should be in deeds now. Let me see. I literally just got a text. Hey, what was the last name again? Brown. Thanks.
So this text to you out of now. But if we were negative, so we just finished on this.
I don't see it, do you?
I don't.
Yeah, I don't. Mhm. Okay, yeah. It's always been an issue, always.
No, I know. It's.
He was extremely rude and not very nice to the people at the place that he was testing. He was, hey, what was the word? What was,
Oh, if they just wanted that you would be invalid, whatever, they were trying to pick up on conditions because they wanted to say that it's fairly based.
It's been like that since beginning. I mean, it's like, it's the same thing over and over. What do we do with Mr. Wisdom?
We are asking for a dismissal or a set for trials.
I'm ready to do it now. It's just way too much drama as it is. Yeah. Have you evaled for trial?
Check. Eval the evidence judge have had trouble contacting like eval.
So you need to eval it. So let's set it for early next week, maybe Tuesday. Eval it with Dr. CW, see if you can go forward. If not, then, but after that, we'll set it. And I'll word it for that, Terrence. Yeah.
Okay.
But just let him know if he's combative again, then I'm just gonna put him in, be done with it. Please.
Okay, thank you, Brad.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I think it's good.
You pay on ground, the jail fees, so fugitive case, do you have Indeed's? Can you check? Just those 3 days, is it? Oh, maybe it's in, is it in pending maybe? Let me see. Hey, it's in pending.
It's in pending.
I think.
Are you able to see it, the judge? Because if you're able to see it, that's enough for monitor.
Thank you very much. I'll take a look.
Council for reset or the other litigation on this like the true price. Let's see. Let me take a seat.
Hey, there's a particular form I'm looking for to magistrate then, where I give them the warning from the assignment they receive the warning. Yeah. I don't think that works.
Council for reset.
Okay, yes, I'll wait. Okay. It's not there. She's getting, she didn't.
Yes.
Council for reset.
Hey,
Hello.
hi, Jed.
What's up, Judge? How are you?
How are you? Hi, Shreya.
Hi, Judge.
Deputy, there's on the sound bar, there should be a power button on this side over here. If you just don't mind hitting it one time. It's like in the middle. Shreya,
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Jalen Robinson.
Is there anyone here on Jalen Robinson? Did you talk to anyone in the family, Treya?
Yes, the mother's there. The grandmother has stepped out. But that's okay. We can go forth without them.
Well, I'd like them to hear.
Yes. Do you think maybe you could step out in the hallway? Maybe they're out there.
Do you mind stepping out in the hallway and asking if there's anyone here for Jalen Robinson, please?
Council for reset?
No answer, Shreya.
Could you
Okay.
give me a minute, Judge?
Do you want to call back in the holdover to talk to him first?
I did. I tried to call the holdover. Yes, if I could do that, and then I'll try to track down his family.
Okay. She needs to gonna call back there to talk to Mr. Robinson. The number should be 3199.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a phone back there that they can talk to lawyers. She'll call back there and then they can communicate, please. All right, go for it, Treya.
Thanks. I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay. Is it, bottom line camera?
What the hell?
I'm cutting off her.
Doesn't have a cord. A phone cord.
Yes. Just they were approached.
Yes, ma'am. Come on up. Hi, who's just last name? Got it. Okay. And what's the deal?
So we've been waiting for approval on the PTI.
Okay.
So this morning I learned that the PTI was denied.
Really?
I'm just trying, yes.
Give me one.
So
Let me call you right back. I'll be right back.
I was just speaking with the state, kind of trying to ascertain why it is that it was denied. But the response I'm getting is because she had marijuana in her system with it, but
I don't, is there still some kind of appellate process or?
No, it's something that has
No.
to be approved by the deputy chief, and then the deputy chief isn't available and it gets approved by me.
Got it. Okay.
So I would be the appellate process.
Touche.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that.
That's okay. No.
mean that
Because
for-
normally there's a way that they can go, so, but,
It
okay,
did not have the normal process because we do not have a deputy chief available.
okay. So I don't know.
it was my understanding that the PTI, the program itself, is in place for people such as my client. That's what I thought. However,
I don't know.
Yeah, PTI is in place. It is a tool that we get to use, but it is discretionary based on what we decide. It is not something that has to be offered nor should be expected. And we do it when we think it's appropriate. I did not think it was appropriate in this case, so I did not approve it.
So look, what we can do is I'll set you off for a week. You guys talk about to see what you want to do, and then just come back and let us know. The case is old, it's 200, so we have to figure out where, do you have offers on the case now?
They were gonna put an offer on it.
they just
Yeah.
offered, 12 months probation and then I
Yeah,
countered.
so they just put a standard.
So they haven't,
I'm okay.
yeah, right. yes.
So you just take your time.
Okay,
We'll give you a week,
okay,
figure out, and then just when you come back, let us know.
all right.
All right? Okay.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Hey, I'm sorry. So I had somebody at my call, but so the phone cord is gone. So there's no more phone cord? Did you find one? Oh, okay, then get on. Let me get on. Got it. Okay, bye. She's talking to him now. I don't. Yeah, they need to be able to somehow. So, thank you. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
We're gonna do 20 feet.
20? I think that's like, that's.
17 to down. 17 to 27 on the addresses. They're right there. The probation said they could do as short as I think 15. Free trial.
Have you reached out to the complaining?
I have, Joe, just spoke to her yesterday.
And
She's not opposed to something like that. She just wants no contact. So as far as that, as long as he doesn't make contact with her, that's her only concern.
so I mean, 15 feet is like from me to the table.
I'm trying to go from.
How is it possible that two people live in two different houses and they're that far apart? You know?
So I think they can go up to as low as 15 feet, but I think the houses are probably a good 50 part.
Yeah, probably so, but what I'm thinking is, if he's passing by in the car, I don't want that GPS to go off. So I'm trying to get the setback from the street to that house, which is probably about 25 feet, 30 feet at most. I don't want any issues, and say, hey, we passed.
Okay, so do 30. I think we'll do 30. And hopefully he doesn't, if you let him know, it's his responsibility to see where the marker is, so he doesn't go anywhere near this person. You know, and typically neighborhoods have two ways.
Correct.
You can always go around the other way, you know, so it's not critical, just one way, right? I guess it could theoretically be a cul-de-sac, but this isn't a cul-de-sac, is it? Right, so there's a second way. Okay, so we'll do 30 feet. If he violates again,
Understood.
okay,
You understand everything.
okay, thank you.
Thank
All right, take care. Howdy,
Pretty good, yourself?
what's up?
I got Miss LeDay this morning.
Okay. Jail or bond?
Bond judge.
Anything in particular you'd like?
Just a short reset for an eval.
Yeah, you're at 180, so it's time.
179. I was told.
Do you have an offer on the case?
We do have an offer, Judge.
Are you happy with it?
No, of course not.
Well, I mean, sometimes you are.
This is true. Today's not the day.
We'll give you a week.
Yes, is that fine?
Yeah.
I've already.
But at that time, she's got to be here, ready to either accept it or
Yes,
rescind
of
it.
course.
Yeah, okay, for sure.
Thanks, Ashley.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Judge, how are you?
Hey, Ramsey, come on up, man. Just the last name, please.
Frost.
C?
Frost.
Oh, got it. Thank you. Hey, good morning. Where are we with it?
She had her, well, we've been waiting for PTI approval. I believe the chief is gonna go ahead and approve it now that she has insurance proof. Showing the claim was settled.
Is it definitely getting approved?
Yes.
Because I'd like to, is she here now?
No, she's not here.
It's
today.
200 days, so she's got to be here one day next week and we'll send her
That's
to do a
fine.
T-RAS.
We are, well, she was supposed to have it, yes, on the second, but she was sick. She got to reschedule to tomorrow.
Oh,
So
perfect.
T-RAS should be done.
Okay, so we'll give you about a week, 2 weeks.
Get the contract, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay,
All right, thanks, Judge. Y'all have a good day.
just let her know no more waived appearance. She's got to be here from now on.
Next setting,
Yeah.
unless she's in.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. Ralph. Just the last name, please.
Yes, sir.
Who do you have?
Oh, no.
Okay,
Your Honor, he's considering taking a deal.
He's been considering since February.
Well, no, I didn't realize that, that's.
It's 234 days.
No, I was told that.
Sure.
He's supposed to talk to an immigration attorney.
Well, he's had
Yeah.
many days to do that. We're now at 234. He's been considering an offer since early February.
No, you got a point. I try to work it out and I certainly be sure. That's what he tells me. I mean. We got the big dollars.
18-month probation. 18-month probation.
He wants to consider all this. He has DWI, PCS, burglary, DWI second, DWI third, another BMV, and now,
He has that in his priors or.
no, priors. But regardless, he has until Monday. He has until Monday.
Okay, Judge.
If he's not done by Monday, he's gonna come back Tuesday. If he doesn't have it done by Tuesday, he's gonna come back Wednesday. But,
I'll work it out. He shouldn't worry about immigration. He's got a whole prior.
well, I don't know. Regardless, it's 234. He's had already many.
I'll be sorry, but it will be.
He's got until Monday.
All right, Judge, thank you.
Who's next?
Then I've got
Just the last name.
Hernandez.
Okay.
He was a senator for a late.
Well, on 212, we gave him 2 weeks for plea or trial. Then on 226, we gave him more time. And so now,
I'll proceed to do.
okay, let me know.
And then, I've got Kanan, K-N-A-N.
Okay.
This is one where.
Yeah, it was denied.
I'm sorry?
The PTI was denied. We gave you guys 1 week to
Right.
either plea or trial. We're back.
Unfortunately, we have to set that one for trial.
Well, I don't unfortunately. If you want to set it, set it. It's okay.
Judge.
But understand, come up, Mr. Kanan.
I don't think he accepts the concept. He's almost admitted to it, but.
Doesn't just,
Right.
do you have offers on these cases?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I want you to understand something and I want you to hear me loud and I want you to hear me clear. I have enough drama in my life. I don't need any more. If you set this case for trial today, you will go to trial. I'm not going to accept any more plea bargains after this day because everybody has to prepare. Everybody's got to get a work done. We got to get the jury here. I don't want to waste everybody's time for you to just, okay, I'm going to do something on the day. No. I have your case is over 200 days old. We've given you many opportunities to look at the evidence, talk with counsel, decide what you want to do. I'm okay with setting for trial. If you do, that's it. You were going to trial. Do you understand? Are you familiar with the offers, correct? Okay, I'm going to let you guys decide what you want to do, but understand, once you set it, we're going to trial. You understand? Okay, let me know. So if you want to set it, we'll give you 30 days and then we'll go to trial in 30 days.
Set it for trial in 30 days, if he wants to.
If he wants to set it for trial, then we'll give you 30 days from today and then he'll go to trial 30 days from today.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Okay.
No.
Hey, do you mind bringing someone out for me? please?
No, so who?
It's Ms. Brown. Yeah, she's, yeah. Let's get you guys, come on up. I'll magistrate her, but, she can't find the form. Have you already spoken to her about waiving or whether she's not waiving and stuff like that? Okay, what? She wants
Well, she wants to argue for bond.
Yes.
oh, sure, of course.
Right now.
That's okay. I don't have a problem with that.
And she only has one, did that case, it's not the others.
Right, it's only the theft case, theft over 1,000.
What's up with those other ones? Because it shows that
They
they're,
merged two bookings at the same time. When they were booked at the same time, they just put it in one long form, which they shouldn't have. They should have separated.
but it's still four cases.
No, it belongs to another defendant. So they just.
Oh,
Right.
really?
Yeah.
Huh, that's weird.
Just error.
Michelle can support here tomorrow.
Which is something that I'm gonna.
You're right. Okay, so that's Mr. Trevion.
I mean,
Yeah.
win, lose or draw, it's still gonna be, she has to show up tomorrow unless they kick her the case, and that's in court 16. Have you spoken with the prosecutor?
No.
It's Amy Tang, my former intern. No, she hasn't.
Hey, what happened on the ag robs from 2023?
She was discharged on 2023. Or
What do you mean?
2023.
Was she on probation for those?
She was on deferred judge. But there was an MHA. There are actually two MHAs filed, and then ultimately she was just discharged, early termed after the two MHAs, the amended the conditions.
So she did successfully complete?
Yes. They ended up, oh, I apologize. There were 3 MHAs.
Good morning, Ms. Brown.
Good morning.
How's jail? You now are wanted out of Calcasieu Parish, Louisiana. You're wanted for a theft case. And there's several things that we need to talk about. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney appointed. We've in fact appointed you a lawyer so that you know everything that you say can and will be used against you. So be very careful what you say. Your lawyer is asking me to set you a bond. There are several ways that we can go through with this. You know, I don't have to give you a bond. We can, but you know, my main concern is, are you a dangerous person? And number one. Number two, if we give you a bond, are you going to go back? And are you going to leave a wake of destruction on your way back? Those are the things that concerns me. So if we don't give you a bond, you have several things that you can do at that time. You can contest or you can waive extradition. If you decide to waive extradition, we give Louisiana 14 days to come pick you up. If they don't come pick you up within the 14 days, Harris County releases you. However, as a that's whether they do or not, but as a practical matter, we have so many people in our jails from Louisiana. We have about 2 buses coming in and out every week, shuffling people to and from Louisiana. So once you waive, if you waive, you'll probably within the next 3 days be on a bus back to Louisiana to go take care of all that stuff. You understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether to set you a bond. We're going to find out. I need more information. The only thing I do know about you, Ms. Brown, is that since 2023, you have picked up a theft by check, another theft, 2 aggravated robberies. In 25, you've picked up a criminal mischief. You now just picked up an assault, and you're wanted out of state for another theft. You understand?
Yes, sir.
One after the other, the other.
Must be.
Nope, hold on. I will give you a chance, but you need to be very careful what you say. Please.
So of course, they would be opposed to a bond because of her history from pleading the ag rob in 2019. She then since taken that deferred, was charged with theft, was charged with criminal mischief, which she pled guilty just 4 months ago. But the fact that she has an open assault at the time of this active warrant, I believe she is a flight and danger risk. I spoke with a sergeant in Calcasieu Parish who stated that if she waives today, she will literally be picked up tomorrow because they have another transport that they already approved.
Oh, wow, really?
So my argument for it is that assuming that she gets, if the court decides to elect to give her a bond, assuming that this processed out this afternoon, she'll get released in the morning, but she'll have spent thousands more to have the same effect to get released tomorrow, to say nothing of the fact that she actually has to attend court 16 tomorrow for the arraignment, so.
Okay, Judge, she does have a daughter here who is currently staying with her god sister. She was working full-time at Teleperformance in a call center, so she does have to go here. She does travel back and forth to Louisiana, so she will definitely take care of this. She wasn't aware of it. She says that when he was arrested, the jails were too crowded, so they told her that they would be issuing the warrant, and then we never got any information for it. So she found out about it.
Here's the thing though, if I were to set you a bond, it's gonna be probably pretty high. And because you're a fugitive, you are an inherent flight risk. So the customary 10% that everybody talks about or 5% to get you out, it's not gonna apply to you. You will have to probably pay most, if not all of it, just to get out. When state has already indicated that they're gonna come pick you up tomorrow to take you back to Louisiana. You understand what I mean? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna give you a bond at this time. It's just way too much drama. You've picked up one case every year for the last 6 years. And the last one is another dangerous case. Ms. Brown, just way too much drama for me. And in light of the fact that they're gonna pick you up tomorrow, I think that it's probably a good idea to just hold off until that. Okay? Okay.
Let me know if she wants.
Oh, one more thing. Do you have your lawyer's phone number in the court 16 case?
She's not appointed.
You don't, they didn't,
Tomorrow's the arraignment day.
oh, tomorrow's the arraignment.
Yes.
Oh, Lord. You need to let your family know or someone, or I guess at least let them know. Because the problem is that if no one knows, you get shuffled back to Louisiana tomorrow and you don't do anything about this arraignment tomorrow, the court 16 will issue a warrant for your arrest, and then the position you're in now is going to be the exact opposite and same position in Louisiana. So you're going to be stuck in Louisiana now with a Harris County warrant. So you're going to be a fugitive from Harris County in Louisiana. Exactly what's happening here is going to happen the same thing in Louisiana. So what we do is, I guess, we'll inform court 16, or maybe they'll appoint you a lawyer, or I don't know. But in the interest of justice, something so that, you know, I don't want to set her up for failure, you know.
I don't know.
Right.
But obviously if she keeps her refusal, then I have 90 days to get the governor.
Regardless, you need to stay in contact with her so that both of you guys are on the same page so that another warrant doesn't issue. Okay? Okay, good luck.
So we're gonna go back downstairs. If she decides to order, she needs to sign this. If it's refusal, just text me and tell me what date you want to release it to. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thanks, guys.
Give me a shout out.
Mr. Ash,
Yeah.
hey, buddy, just the last name, please. Jail or bond? Okay, it's not too terribly old. Just one
No,
more
it
time.
isn't, but we were asking that, he's right now on alcohol monitor. This is the AFM. And I think that the facts of the case are that the CW was drinking. I'm not so sure that he was drinking himself, but he was with her while she was drinking. So he's been on monitor, I think, 4 months right now. And he's lost his job and he's looking for employment. And so the monitors is for his schedule, it's been a little bit difficult. And so that's why he's asking that we could consider removing the monitor.
So, Judge, there was an indication of them both drinking that night, and that's why that was on. So right now, you just.
And the other assaults that he has was alcohol a factor as well, because I don't remember.
The CW doesn't have DWI.
Well, I don't,
I understand that, so the CW.
she's not the one that's got the case.
I understand that, but she's, that's why I believe that she was drinking, and I'm not so sure that he was drinking himself, but okay. I don't think there's anything in the police report that there was.
There has to have been, Mr. Ash, otherwise I wouldn't have put it on.
Did he smell of alcohol, or he had alcohol concentration in his blood or anything like that?
So from the DIMS, the DIMS say that the defendant began drinking alcohol or hanging out that night. So that's the indication of alcohol. As far as his other charges, Judge, there was no indication of alcohol in the prior AFM or the ABI.
Where are we headed with this case regardless?
Well, the CW wants to drop the charges.
Do you have an offer in this case?
So it's Farley's case. I put an eval in for her, to evaluate without complaining, be done by Monday.
Let's do that. Let's do this because they're going to eval for trial. We're going to see whether it even goes forward or not. Mark, can we roll it till the beginning of next week and then it may just be done anyways? Just pick a day at the beginning of the week. I don't care, whatever you want.
Actually, I'm full next week, but can I do 2?
Well, you can always zoom in too. I have Zoom for you. You don't even have to be here.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna be here next week on the 12th, so we could do that or the 16th.
Do that and then it'll, you know,
We'll take that time for Val.
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right.
okay. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Judge.
Ralph.
Yes, sir.
Hey, man.
That's got, Hernandez.
Yeah. What would you like to do with Mr. Hernandez?
Hernandez, what happened is he's on probation in felony court.
Right, we set it so that you guys could go upstairs and,
Exactly. And that's what, if I'm asking for like a short reset, so.
it's 200 days old and it's a suspended license case, man.
Okay, okay. No, I guess we'll, should I set it for plea?
Sure, I'll give you a week.
Okay, we'll set it for plea.
Set it for a plea, 1 week, but,
Regardless of what happens upstairs, we're gonna take it.
okay,
And I think it's time served, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take it no matter what.
okay. All right,
And just note that. Seriously, I don't wanna-
just, it's a suspended license case, but now we're gonna be at like 215
No,
days
it should
old.
be done. I see your point.
Yeah.
Whether it's done or not, then it's not gonna affect the probation.
I don't know, but at some point we have to put these,
No, right, you're right, Judge. Okay, I'll be ready. Thank you. Oh,
Okay.
and Kanan. That's Kanan.
Yeah.
He doesn't understand the concept of what he's charged with. I think by default has to go to trial.
okay, set it. But like I said, I'm not taking anything and I'm not, like, I'm not gonna tell, well, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Right. Mr. Kanan, come up. What is a trial?
Honestly, don't want to. Why?
What is a trial? Tell me, what is a trial? You need to understand because this is not a joke. If you're convicted, you're facing a year in jail. This is not a joke. You need to understand. What is a trial?
No, I don't want to plan. I don't want to go to jail. I mean.
No one wants to go to jail. But sometimes it happens. You need to know what happens if you are convicted. What is a trial? You need to know. If you don't understand, I'm going to explain it to you now so that you understand.
Yeah.
A trial is something where 6 independent people that within Harris County are picked. They will sit there. They will listen to all the evidence. They will look at videos. They will look at pictures. They will listen to statements from witnesses. And they will make a decision on whether you are either innocent of this case or guilty of the charge. You were charged with, it's indecent assault, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
You were charged with indecent assault. Did then and there unlawfully cause the complaining witness hereinafter the complainant to contact the saliva of the defendant without the consent of the complainant with the intent to arouse or gratify the sexual desire of the defendant. If they prove that, then you will very well be facing a year in jail. Just because what you think doesn't matter. It's the facts of the case and what the evidence holds. It's 6 independent people will listen to what happened. They're going to make a judgment call looking at all the evidence. Your intentions don't matter. What you think doesn't matter. It's what the evidence shows. That's what really they look at to decide whether guilt or innocent. If there is guilt, at that point, you're facing a year in jail. You understand now?
Yeah.
It's very important. So you need to understand, just because you set up a trial doesn't mean that this thing is going to go away. We will go to trial. If you're found guilty, then you're found guilty, and then we move on to the next phase of the trial. But it's not a joke. Don't take it lightly, because if you said it, we're going to go to trial. I'm not going to take this, well, I didn't know what was going on. I have no idea about this. I don't know about that. That's why I'm explaining to you now, so that if you do set up for trial, you are making an informed decision on what is going to happen, so that when we do pick a jury and when we do go to trial, you are going to go. There's no more after this point. I'll let you step outside, talk to your lawyer to decide what you want to do. What have you offered in this case now?
Right now, Judge, there's a 2-year probation offer.
They have offered you, is it a straight or is it deferred?
It's straight.
They have offered you a probation now. So you need to understand whether that's something that you would like to do.
You want, let me say this, to clear this up, he's willing to take the probation. Problem is, he can't admit to what he did. That's the problem.
So understand, I don't make the offers here. The district attorneys here and the assistant district attorneys here are the ones who make the plea bargain agreements. I don't make them. I just either accept it or I reject it if it's inappropriate. So here, they have made the offer that they're going to make. You either accept it, you don't have to, but if you don't accept it, we are now at the stage where we cannot continue to kick this can down the road. You need to, at some point today, make a decision whether you want to accept it. If you don't, that's okay. We will set it for trial. But once we set it for trial, I'm not going to, that's it. You will go to trial. So look, I don't want you to talk about it here in front of us, in front of the DA. Just step outside. We have witness room so you guys can talk in private. You make the decision on what you want to do. But today, your case is nearly 250 days old. I'm not going to reset it again. You must either take it today or get set for trial.
I'll talk to the judge.
Please.
Okay. Judge, may I approach?
Yeah.
Judge, I have Mr. Godot on your docket, and we're trying to enter him into UIPTI, but we still need a copy of the contract, so I emailed them again today asking for that.
Can you talk to Bernadette?
Sure.
Bernadette's here. She's in charge of everything. Maybe she can get it for you.
Can I get a short reset for that? Judge?
Well, yeah, but I want to make sure that you get the contract, because we've been resetting this thing since December now for us.
Yes, Judge, when we did submit the financial affidavit information, he was rejected. I got an email this morning, he was rejected for that, so he'll have to pay the $200 fee.
Got it.
Yeah.
Herman.
Hi.
Hey, bud. Just the last name. Who do you have? Okay. Where we at?
Waiting rep.
No, we've been waiting a rip since November. Let's get on with it. I'm not waiting anymore.
What was the last one?
Sorry, Carrillo.
Sorry, Carrillo.
The Stanglish way. I'm not waiting anymore, dude. You've been, that 5 months. No. Get on it, dog on it. What do you want to do?
I want to say, I want an offer for the AMC dismissal and evaluation.
Oh, I was thinking it was a DWI. Okay. So,
I hate to do it a trial through.
well, that's between you guys.
No, I know.
Right.
Just
I mean,
speaking out loud. Okay, before you go, it's gonna be another one.
who?
Williams. That's the one I was telling you to follow for this one.
Okay.
They're trying to locate the station video that.
You don't have it now?
You have videos, I don't know if anything is stated.
So of the breath and all that, convert, whether they inverted it or not, all that.
Well, that's
Bel Air.
different. Breath is different from the inversion.
Yeah, I
Right.
mean, I do want to see the 15-minute period and all that.
Do you know that it exists for
Yeah, it's
sure?
in the DIMS report and Farwa agreed, but it's Bel Air.
Okay, we've set up for a 10-day discovery hearing. It's now past that, so whatever's not here now, that's it. We're at 200 days. I'm not waiting anymore. So whatever's not in now,
Yes, Judge.
that's it. It's lost. So do what you need to do. It's 200 days. We need to make a decision on what you want to do, whether you want to do PTI, whether you want to set it. So yeah, giving you
But she's still
two,
a 1.7, so that's the problem.
I'm giving you 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, if you want the PTI, it's got to be submitted though.
Okay, is it PTO and no mitigations?
Well, it's a s-
Once, I believe the obligation.
You need to talk to Bernadette, I guess, about, because that wrinkle, that's a new
Yeah,
wrinkle.
it's kind of a.
So,
maybe a
but talk, that's a Bernadette question.
I might be able to thread the needle.
What's your, Randy, Eric?
Just last name.
Eric.
Okay.
Perfect.
Jail or bond? Okay. What do you want to do? It's 180 days.
Yeah, no, please.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Ms. Parrott, come up. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 15 days in jail with credit for the 5 days that you've done. This charge now, after today, you need to understand, will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail from now on. The next time you get pulled over, officers will see this DWI. If you smell like alcohol, you smell like dope, what's going to happen? Very, very possible. So for the rest of your life, if you have even a sip, don't get into a car. Do you understand?
Yes.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you're not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This plea bargain or this plea today, it's done forever. You can never change this. This is what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow it. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. That is a minimum. Do not drive until you get a license, and good luck. Thanks. Please see the clerk. Ralph, what's the word?
Mr. Kanan, Julie take the deal.
Okay.
I just would see if the court could set up a Monday.
No,
Okay.
no, no.
He says he'll do it, so.
Okay.
Do you
No,
take,
it's now or never.
if we do paper police or do you do?
No, we do electronic.
I have to get somebody to do it, because I don't have Mr. Gordon's code. I'll get somebody up here.
Do you want to do paper? What do you want to do?
I can. I mean, does the state want to temporarily attach it, so we don't?
Can you attach him temporarily?
Yeah, absolutely,
Okay.
sign with permission for the other attorney.
Yeah, we'll attach you temporarily.
Okay.
That way you can sign.
What's your?
3600.
Judge, I think Daniel's on Zoom for a.
Can I go with, I think it's, Bell, they get it, and we do.
Oh, so I don't know why it's not, I put the, for it to sign, to sound when people come in, it's not. I'm sorry, Shreya, I didn't see that you were there. Next time,
That's
text me
okay.
that you're there, so I see.
No, no worries, no worries.
Okay, give me once, I know yours is, give me 1 second.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey. What's up?
Judge, so the person I emailed, Kenneth Henry, Dr. Bernadette said I had the email, so I'm just gonna see if I can get contact as soon as possible, maybe hopefully in the next day or two, they'll send it to me. There's nothing else we're waiting on, because his license is valid, and he just needs to get the device and it'll be.
Okay,
We're just
I
waiting
mean,
on the
pick a day next week.
Can I get 2 weeks, Judge, or
What's the last name?
it's Gudo, Judge?
It's.
It's like 190 days, so it's not extremely old, but it's getting there. But I will keep emailing Kenneth, because
I mean, it's 200 days now.
okay,
I'll give you 2 weeks, but if it's not done, he's rolled day for day until.
yes, Judge, I'm gonna see
I'm
if
not-
we can get this all wrapped up.
All right,
Thank you, Judge.
okay. Daniel, Mr. Henry.
Yes, Judge. Good morning.
Do you need the last name of your client, please? Just the last name.
Last name is Montez Roman. It's 2 last names.
Page 49. Jail docket.
I guess we'll do two birds with one stone, you know, because he's got a guy that picked up a case, and then so does Shrey, should we bring your guy out?
If-
Okay.
if you-
I'm gonna bring yours out. Do you need a translator, Mr. Henry?
No, Judge.
Okay.
Well, I'm not sure. I haven't met with him, Judge. It's an arraignment day. I was supposed to be removed from the pickup list for today, but I was told to Zoom on. So I haven't met with the client yet, Judge. But he has a PR bond in this court and he's being held on a felony.
Well, oh, I don't have him listed as a lawyer on Montez.
I was just appointed. I haven't even,
Oh, I see.
been attached.
Got it. Okay, so I need Mr. Montez and Mr.
Robinson.
Robinson, please. Robinson and Montez, please. Yeah.
Oh, okay. We don't have a complaint about this one. Okay, that was peaceful first. Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, Tuesday. All right. Oh. I mean, you don't know. I'm gonna approach you. We're very much together.
Okay, can you bring her up? We'll have her send a picture of us. Jalen. Yeah.
Yeah. We're going.
Do you see on the TV, the lawyer right there? This is the lawyer on the left that's been appointed, the gentleman, no, not you, the other one. He's been appointed to represent you. You were on bond for a criminal mischief in this court. We ordered you as a condition of your bond not to pick up any new cases. You have now picked up a felony harassment of a public servant. I'm now going to revoke your PR bond. I want you to know what's going on. I mean, clearly have not made bond on the felony now, but this is not a revolving door, and I just wanted to give you a heads up that no more PR bonds. Do you understand, sir? I am so disappointed, Mr. Robinson. The intervention that I was trying to do with you was trying to stay as close as I could so you couldn't pick up any new cases. And now an aggravated robbery. Over, and over. I don't know what to do with Mr. Robinson, Shreya. I
Judge,
don't.
a couple things. I understand that the alleged date occurred while he was on bond. However, I'm asking to see if you just keep our bond as is, let felony handle their bond. I mean, it's a first degree. They'll handle whatever they need to do.
He picked up an aggravated robbery.
I mean, yes, he did.
We
However,
literally had violation after violation after violation here.
technically
And the
that
family's mad at me?
they're also mad at me. And the date that we got him clean and on
Shreya, the irony of the fact that they're mad at me and they're mad at you, and now he's picked up an aggravated robbery.
correct.
This is what's wrong with everything. I am now going to revoke your bond and I'm going to make them each $50,000. Mr. Robinson, you scare me. I have repeatedly tried to intervene with you to try to do everything in my power to prevent you from picking up a third case, truly trying to do everything, scaring you with this, scaring you with that, just nothing. Freaking aggravated robbery. Stop. Actions, Mr. Robinson, speak louder. Words. And you are now on your third case, one of which is a 5 to life case.
Judge, can I get a reset date of March 17th?
Is there a bond set in the ag rob now? Do you know?
No, we just need to get him processed. So he'll probably be in processing and brought up next week sometime.
So if you do, I don't know if you're going to make bond, but if you do, you're ordered to be under home confinement. You are not allowed out at all. 24/7, you must stay at home. You will get an ankle monitor on your, you'll have an ankle monitor so I know where you are at all times. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. And there are 3 other co-defendants in this case, correct?
3 to 4, Judge.
Yeah. No contact with any of the co-defendants in this case as well. Before you put him back, I need him to sign the bond conditions first. When you go back there, get to know the old timers so they can really tell you what prison is like. It's not a fun place. And it's a place that you end up as a statistic. Once you end it with that felony conviction, I'm telling you, your life is damn near over. No one hires felons. No one gives jobs. You want to get a loan to get a house, to buy a car, to buy anything. You want aid from the state for something? Not with a felony conviction. You need to get to know them so they can tell you what it's truly like. Because when you hang with dogs, as you now know, you get fleas. Or 50,000 or
Judge Freya wanted to present his team.
she can have whatever she wants.
Okay.
Yes, Judge. Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Shreya. Hey, if you have any issues, just, talk to me and we'll,
We'll
but,
figure it out. All right. Thank you, Judge.
yeah, okay.
Okay, bye.
50,000 for them. Yeah, he can go back to, so on him, 5,001.
Yeah.
This is Mr. Montes. And then whatever council wanted. Mr. Henry, do you want 415?
415 works, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, man.
Thank you. You have a good one.
Thanks, buddy.
Good morning, Judge, may I approach?
Please, just the last name of your client.
Sure, Norvell.
Norvell. Okay,
This is one where she's checking in to provide proof of employment to the court. We were here about a week or two ago,
how's
Judge.
she doing?
So she has a note from the doctor that says that due to her symptoms, she cannot work full time. But she's doing here, and I know we talked about it last time, she had only done 4 days, but now she's giving me a different estimate. Since the last 4 days, she did 4 people yesterday, 3 people Monday, 2 people Sunday, and 4 or 5 people on Friday. So it seems like she's getting built up, Judge, and business is booming for her,
All right, so let's set it 2 weeks. I want to see that she's still making it and
Okay,
same kind of, all right?
okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I understand. I'm not.
Hi, guys, come on up. Hey, just the last name, please.
Steve.
Okay?
Yeah, so we've been talking, we have some ideas.
Yes, they were positive reviews.
Oh,
I went this morning, that when we were, it's kind of thinking, I don't want to say expecting, but it's really thinking, he would be positive.
he's on probation. He was never to use in the first place and he's testing positive still. How long has it been?
Probation since April 30th of 2025. Yeah, he tested positive for THC on July 9th, 12/29.
And he's still testing positive.
He was here last week, he sent him for a drug test, then he tested positive for THC. This time he was positive for THC.
Come up, Mr. Steed. I hope above all else in this short life that we have that you are not using, because 50 days from the day that you made bond, you must test negative. If not, do you understand? That day is so I'm going to set it for April 6th
Okay.
and we'll see what happens on that day.
Oh,
Much of what happens with this case will depend on that day.
can we schedule a T-Raz too, to update the T-Raz?
Sure.
If the court is gonna.
I'm happy to, but I'm still going to reset this case for February 6th
April 6th.
or April 6th because he needs to be
It doesn't look like in his original T-Raz, Judge, that there was any indication of any drug use, and so now that we're seeing that, we want to have the T-Raz redone.
I'm
so that
okay
it's an
with
issue We
it.
can
Sure,
address.
sure. Yep. We can send him for a walkthrough right now.
Oh, Judge, they're in training, so no walkthroughs today, but I can
Okay.
send tomorrow.
Sure. Okay, or whatever day, I don't care. You can up to a week to do it,
Okay.
whatever you want, I don't care. Sure. Okay, great. So April 6th. Oh, hey, Steve didn't, I'm sorry. Montes didn't pick up any case. It's out of the same transaction. I'm not gonna revoke his bond. I thought it was a new case. Hey. I was wrong. Montes is not a new case, so I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna revoke it. Hi,
Hi, Jared. I'm just approaching on the
just the last name.
Jones.
Okay,
I'm just approaching the reset.
bond or jail?
Bond.
Okay, what do we,
We're ready. They just here at the events report will be evaluated for offers. I just want to bring him in for a plea. He was late today.
okay, sure, yeah,
Good. Okay. Thank
okay,
you.
have fun. Hi, Drew. What's up, man?
Yeah, approach.
Please,
Judge, I need.
hold on. Do you have a client?
I do not.
Okay,
No plan. I need some judicial guidance.
let's go back.
Okay. Okay.
I'm Fleischer, so I don't want
Oh, yeah, no problem.